In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode for themes in Salesforce so users can switch between light and dark appearance without changing the overall branding of the organization. Start by making sure you have admin access, then click the gear icon in the top right and open Setup where visual and system controls are located. Use the search bar to find themes and branding, open the active theme, and choose Edit from the options menu. Inside the theme configuration, look for the setting that allows users to enable dark mode and simply check the box to activate the feature. This does not force dark mode on everyone, it only gives individuals the choice to follow system appearance or select light or dark manually. After saving, remind users to refresh their browser if they don't see the toggle immediately, and quickly review logos or accent colors to ensure readability on darker backgrounds for better accessibility and consistency. Subscribe for clear beginner tech guides and honest walkthrough videos every week.